Hello guys and welcome back to Unless Tech Tutorials, and in today's video I'm going to be going over how to update your NVIDIA's graphic card or your drivers basically. How to update your drivers, and this is the fastest and the simplest and the easiest way possible. So all you have to do is first look for GeForce Experience on your desktop, and you will notice that most likely it is already installed. And anyways, once you find it, go ahead and open it. Once you open it, all you have to do is go over to drivers. Now from drivers, what you want to do is right here, you can click for check for updates. And if there is an update, it will say something over here. And it's going to say either express installation or custom installation. And you want to click on express installation. Once you click on express installation, it's basically going to be updated, etc. And you should be good to go. And once you're done, it will say you have the latest GeForce Game Ready driver, whatever version, blah, blah, blah. And yeah, that's basically it. So yeah, that is it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.